Google Sheets is a powerful tool, but what really makes it stand out are its formulas. Formulas let you perform calculations, analyze data, and automate tasks, all within your spreadsheet. For beginners, the most common formulas you'll use are sum to add numbers, average to find the mean, and count to tally entries. But Google Sheets also offers more advanced options like if statements, which let you create conditions, and VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to search for specific information across large datasets. Another helpful formula is concatenate, or the newer text join, which lets you combine text from multiple cells into one, perfect for creating full names or addresses. And don't forget array formula, which applies a formula to an entire column without needing to copy it manually. Learning how to nest formulas, using one formula inside another, can make your spreadsheets incredibly efficient, saving you time and reducing errors. The key to mastering formulas is practice. Start with simple calculations, experiment with combining them, and explore the many built-in functions Google Sheets offers. Once you get the hang of it, formulas can transform your spreadsheets from basic tables into powerful tools for analysis and organization. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Google Sheets tips and tricks.